Hello dear friend. Today we're going to talk about a subject that can completely change the way you see the world around you, the 7 Hermetic Laws, also known as the laws of the universe. These ancient laws have been studied and taught for centuries, and offer us a profound set of teachings about the workings of the universe and our connection to it. Understanding these laws is a fascinating journey, full of surprising discoveries and insights. They teach us about the energy that surrounds us, the importance of harmony and balance, and our ability to create our own reality. In this video, we will explore each of the Hermetic laws and discover how they can help us achieve the prosperity, happiness, and inner peace that we all seek. So buckle up and get ready for a journey towards understanding the universe and ourselves. What are the Hermetic laws? The 7 Hermetic Laws, also known as the laws of the universe, are a set of principles that govern the existence of all things. These laws are profound and complex, and have a deep impact on our lives. They are considered a hidden treasure that has been passed down over the centuries by various sages and masters, and is now widely studied and applied in different areas of life. These laws are much more than simple theoretical or philosophical concepts. They are deep truths that, when understood and applied correctly, can transform our reality in a significant and positive way. I would say that the 7 Hermetic Laws are like magical keys that allow us to open the doors to higher knowledge and understanding. When we use these keys to unlock the secrets of the universe, we are able to access a wisdom and intelligence that goes far beyond our limited understanding. In summary, the 7 Hermetic Laws are a source of inspiration and power that helps us connect with the essence of the universe and find our place in the grand scheme of things. They are a guide for living with more wisdom, purpose, and harmony, and for achieving fullness in all aspects of life. How did Hermetic laws originate? The origins of the 7 Hermetic Laws date back to the earliest times of humanity when sages and philosophers of the time sought to understand the mysteries of the universe and life. These sages, through their reflections and observations, arrived at profound conclusions about the nature of the universe and the functioning of the laws that govern it. Thus were born the 7 Hermetic Laws, as a set of universal principles that govern all aspects of life. These laws have been transmitted over the centuries through various philosophical and spiritual traditions and continue to be studied and applied to this day. It is believed that the origin of the 7 Hermetic Laws is linked to the legendary figure of Hermes Trismegistus, an Egyptian sage and philosopher who lived thousands of years ago. According to tradition, Hermes was a master of alchemy, astrology, and philosophy, and was responsible for transmitting the universal laws to his disciples. Regardless of their historical origin, the 7 Hermetic Laws are considered a universal treasure of wisdom that can be applied by anyone, at any time and place. They represent a source of inspiration and guidance for all those who seek to understand the mysteries of the universe and find their place in the grand scheme of things. What are the Hermetic Laws for? The 7 Hermetic Laws are a treasure trove of wisdom that guides us on our personal and spiritual journeys. They are a map for understanding the universe and our place in it, and can help us navigate the tumultuous waters of life. Each of the Hermetic Laws teaches us a valuable lesson about life and gives us a set of tools to deal with the challenges and obstacles we encounter along the way. They help us understand the forces that govern the universe and align our actions and intentions with them. By studying the Hermetic Laws, we can learn to work with the energy of the universe and manifest our desires and goals more effectively. They teach us the importance of harmony, balance, and integrity, and help us cultivate awareness and connection with the world around us. In short, the Hermetic Laws are a guide to life that helps us find the peace, prosperity, and happiness we all seek. They are a treasure that can transform our lives and guide us towards a better and brighter future. The first of these laws is the law of mentalism, which states that everything is mind, and that the universe itself is mental. This means that our thoughts and emotions have immense power, and that we can shape reality with our minds. The second law is the law of correspondence, which says that there is correspondence between the physical, mental, and spiritual planes of the universe. This means that what happens in one plane affects the others, and that we can understand things more deeply by looking at them on different levels. The third law is the law of vibration, which states that everything in the universe is in constant motion and vibration. This means that everything is energy, and that we can use vibration to create positive changes in our lives. The fourth law is the law of polarity, which says that everything has an opposite, and that these opposites are actually complementary. This means that to experience joy, we need to know what sadness is, and that we can find balance by embracing both polarities. The fifth law is the law of rhythm, which affirms that everything has a flow and ebb, a high tide and a low tide. This means that we can expect changes in our lives, and that we can use rhythm to create opportunities for growth and evolution. The sixth law is the law of cause and effect, which states that every action has a corresponding reaction. This means that our choices have a profound impact on our lives, and that we can use this law to create the future we desire. Finally, the seventh law is the law of gender, which affirms that everything in the universe has a masculine and feminine polarity. This means that we can find balance and harmony by honoring and celebrating both the masculine and feminine within ourselves and in the world around us. Although these laws may seem esoteric and difficult to understand, they have a profound and transformative power. By incorporating these principles into our lives, we can create a more positive and fulfilling reality, and experience the true potential of the universe. In this video, we explore each of the Hermetic laws and discover how they can help us achieve the prosperity, happiness, and inner peace that we all seek. We hope that this journey has been inspiring and has motivated you to continue exploring the teachings of the laws of the universe in your own lives. Thank you for joining us, and until next time.